The animal kingdom is a magical place full of wonders and mysteries. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a unique role in maintaining the balance of nature. As you dive deeper into this amazing world, you'll uncover facts that are so astonishing, they'll seem almost impossible to believe. Let's take a journey across the globe and explore 50 unbelievable facts about animals that will leave you amazed. 1. Octopuses have 3 hearts. The octopus, one of the most intelligent marine creatures, has 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. When an octopus swims, the third heart actually stops beating. 2. Cows have best friends. Studies show that cows form strong social bonds with other cows and become stressed when separated from their best friends. So the next time you see cows grazing, they might just be hanging out with their closest pals. 3. Sloths move so slowly that algae grows on their fur. Sloths are famous for their slow movements, but did you know their pace is so slow that algae can grow on their fur? This green layer helps them blend in with the treetops, providing camouflage from predators. 4. Elephants are afraid of bees. Despite their enormous size, elephants are terrified of bees. In fact, farmers in Africa use beehive fences to deter elephants from trampling crops, as the buzzing sounds send them running. 5. Group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Flamingos, with their bright pink feathers, long legs, and elegant necks, travel in groups, known as a flamboyance. This fitting name captures their stylish and eye-catching appearance. 6. Tardigrades can survive in space. These microscopic creatures, also known as water bears, are virtually indestructible. Tardigrades can survive in extreme temperatures, radiation, the vacuum of space, and even being frozen or dehydrated for decades. 7. Penguins propose with pebbles. When a male penguin wants to woo a female, he presents her with a pebble. If she accepts it, they become mates, and the pebble often becomes part of their nest. A true act of love. 8. Frogs can freeze without dying. Some species of frogs, like the wood frog, can survive being frozen solid during winter. Their hearts stop beating, and they appear lifeless, only to thaw and come back to life when temperatures rise. 9. Pigeons can recognize themselves in mirrors. Pigeons, often underestimated in terms of intelligence, are one of the few animals that can recognize their own reflection in a mirror, a sign of self-awareness. 10. Giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans. Despite their long necks, giraffes have only 7 cervical vertebrae, the same number as humans. The difference is that each of their neck bones is much longer. 11. Koalas sleep for up to 22 hours a day. Koalas have an incredibly slow metabolism, which means they need a lot of rest. They sleep up to 22 hours a day, spending most of their waking time munching on eucalyptus leaves. 12. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. With their rapid wing beats and ability to hover, hummingbirds are the only birds capable of flying backward. Their agility allows them to expertly navigate through flowers as they collect nectar. 13. Dolphins have names for each other. Dolphins are highly social and intelligent creatures that use unique whistles to identify each other. Much like humans use names, they can remember and recognize these whistles even after years of separation. 14. The mantis shrimp punches harder than a bullet. Mantis shrimps have one of the fastest and most powerful punches in the animal kingdom. Their punch can accelerate faster than a bullet, easily cracking shells and even shattering aquarium glass. 15. Rats can laugh when tickled. Believe it or not, rats are ticklish. When tickled, they emit high-pitched chirps that resemble laughter. Scientists have used this behavior to study emotions and the neurological basis of joy. 16. Butterflies taste with their feet. Butterflies have taste sensors on their feet, which they use to taste plants and determine whether they are suitable for laying eggs or feeding. 17. Jellyfish are immortal. The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish has the unique ability to revert its cells to an earlier stage of life, essentially allowing it to live forever unless it falls prey to disease or predators. 18. Cheetahs can't roar despite being big cats. Cheetahs cannot roar like lions or tigers. Instead, they purr, chirp, and make a range of other vocalizations. Their slender, lightweight bodies are built for speed, not roaring. 19. Pandas spend around 12 hours a day eating. Pandas have a diet primarily consisting of bamboo, and they spend nearly half their day eating to consume enough calories from the low-nutrient plant. 20. Polar bears have black skin underneath their thick, white fur. Polar bears have black skin. This helps them absorb and retain heat from the sun in their icy habitats. 21. A chameleon's tongue is twice its body length. Chameleons have tongues that can extend to twice the length of their body to catch prey. Their tongues shoot out at lightning speed to grab unsuspecting insects. As you explore the world of animals, it becomes clear that nature is full of surprises, with every species offering its own set of incredible adaptations and behaviors. The facts we've covered are just a glimpse into the endless wonders of the animal kingdom, and there is always more to discover. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, the creatures that inhabit our planet continue to amaze us in ways we could never have imagined. So next time you encounter an animal, whether it's a common household pet or a rare species, remember that they're part of this awe-inspiring, but connected world that we're all lucky to share.